What is wholesale real estate investing? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. That would be really beneficial in making financial decisions. Thanks. In the real estate development and investment industry, there are many ways to get involved. Making money with little money is possible with real estate wholesaling. How wholesale real estate works. It works like this. You're aware of a property in a desired neighborhood with a recently deceased owner. In severe need of repair, the house might need to be demolished or rebuilt. A price is negotiated with the family to get the house under contract. Your goal, though, isn't to really buy the house. In this case, the contract will be assigned to a new investor who will renovate and resell the property. You get compensated for your efforts in securing and referring the lead. Know the rules. Only licensed real estate brokers can receive a commission in a real estate transaction in Maryland, for example. In that instance, you may form an LLC for the property and specify that the buyer, you, the wholesaler, is the LLC and its assigns. This enables you to enter into a separate contract with an investor who will buy the LLC and, as a result, the contract assignment from you. You have to do your research. You must ensure that you are purchasing houses at a price that is suitable for a fix and flipper, including your profit. To determine an acceptable price, you need to have a clear understanding of how to estimate building costs. A business acquaintance or two can be quite helpful here. You should also have a good understanding of a property's conservative after-repair value, or ARV. You have to put in the time. Real estate wholesaling, despite its simplicity, may be difficult. For wholesalers to be successful, they need large networks, which take time to develop. A distributor may have knocked on 100 doors or made 100 cold calls to potential sellers before obtaining a single deal. You may need money. The quantity of money needed for a wholesale transaction varies. In rare situations, you may be able to buy a home for no money down from a seller. The majority of the time, a seller will require an earnest money deposit, or EMD. This can be as low as $500 to demonstrate that you intend to close on their property. You may need to purchase the property before you can sell it to another investor if your state prohibits contract assignment. They should be waiting for you to purchase them.